Hey, it's Captain PLT giving you a midday up. Sorry, we didn't have a morning update for you. We're still working on the software. But you're looking at the daily on the qqq's, and took some heat from people saying that the market was going to go lower, which it could have. But I have this 735 area, which we are in, and we're breaking through it right now. So it filled the gap from that. I believe it was Monday. Yeah, it's Monday the 22nd. See. And here it just kept building out a bottom. Here at this 700 level, 703, 707. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Explosion. And you have a lot of things going on here. You have SpaceX, you have the end of the quarter. You know, these guys are not going to they're not going to let it go out on the lows, right? At least the window. They may test the highs. They may go through the highs. I don't know. Let's bring it down to the 5 minute, and this is what I've been saying. You don't want to get caught short, especially when they're building out a bottom like that. What we're talking about for the past couple of days, Sam, all in that 705, 707 area. Okay, that was some doozy the other day, huh? Took it, brought it right back to the level, swept it. Bye bye. Look at that. That is some move. We bought the 728 calls. I could have made a lot more on them, but my focus is really to make sure that the radar is good for you guys and make sure that you guys are comfortable with us. And trading, we're here for you. We're not here for us. When we see an extreme, we'll let you know where we're going to do it before we do it. You're not going to be the liquidity, and you're not going to be the fish. We're doing this together. That's the whole point. And we talk about God, getting yourself aligned, because it's not the chart, it's you. All right. Well, listen, this is it filled the window. So I'm going to use this line to maybe put on a short and give a take. So the 735.72 area, you may want to look at the put. Here's your channel. You want to keep it. Just for now. Some guys will use the 9-day. See yellow here. It may break through. And we'll be back. This is One Ping Only Radar, Captain PLT. Over and out.